between 5 and 8 is 3. Between 8 and 12 is 4. And 12 and 17 is 5. And so on. So if you are assuming that the sum of the first n terms S of n is say equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 till t of n. And if we shift each of the term 1 to the right, that is if we express S of n as 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 plus t of n plus t of n minus 1 plus t of n. And if you subtract the second equation from the first equation, the left hand side will become equal to 0. And the right hand side will become equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus t of n minus t of n minus 1, which is equal to n minus 1. Because if you look at the pattern, the second term minus the first term is equal to 1. The third term minus the second term is equal to 2, and so on. Therefore, the nth term minus the n minus 1th term will equal n minus 1. And finally, you will have minus t of n at the end. What is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 till n minus 1? That is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. And you have a 2 at the start. This is going to equal t of n. For t of n is equal to 2 plus n into n minus 1 by 2. Now what is the sum of the first n terms? The sum of the first n terms, S of n, is equal to sigma, which is essentially equal to sum of t of n. This is basically equal to 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 till t of n. Or this is equal to again sigma, which is essentially a symbol of sum, 2 plus n square by 2 minus n by 2. If you are adding 2 n times, you are going to get 2n. If you are adding n square, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 till n square, it will be equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And you have a 2 in addition to it, so this becomes equal to minus 12. And minus n by 2, sigma of n by 2, that is minus of 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 till n whole divided by 2. So that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 4. Just for people who are not sure of these formulas, the sum of the first n terms, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 till n, is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And the sum of the first n squares, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 till n square, is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So in this particular case, the sum will be equal to 2n plus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 12 minus n into n plus 1 by 4. Now if you substitute the value of n to be equal to 30, the required answer will become equal to 60, which is 2n, plus 30 into 31 into 61 by 12 minus 30 into 31 by 4. If you take 30 into 31 by 4 common, this will be equal to 61 by 3 minus 1, plus you have a 60 at the end. 61 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 58 by 3. So this is equal to 30 into 31 into 50 divided by 4 into 3. You can cancel a 3 here. From 30 this becomes equal to 10. You can cancel a 2 from 10, it becomes equal to 5. And you can cancel a 2 from 58, this becomes equal to 29. Or essentially the answer will be equal to 29 into 31 into 5 plus 60. What is the value of 29 into 31? That will be just 1 less than 30 square. So this is equal to 899 into 5 plus 60. What is the value of 899 into 5? That will be 5 less than 90 into 5. So that is 5 less than 4500. So this is equal to 4495 plus 60. This will be equal to 4555. That will be the sum of the first 30 terms of the given series.